Does Sharp TV have screen mirroring? Yes, many Sharp Smart TVs support screen mirroring, but the feature depends on the TV model and operating system. Sharp Android TVs and Roku TVs support built-in casting options, while older models may require alternative methods like Miracast, Chromecast, or HDMI adapters. 1. How to use screen mirroring on a Sharp Android TV. Step 1. Ensure your Sharp Android TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open Settings on the TV and go to Device Preferences, then Chromecast built-in if available. Step 3. On your smartphone, open Screencast Android or AirPlay iPhone. Step 4. Select your Sharp TV from the list and start mirroring your screen. 2. How to use screen mirroring on a Sharp Roku TV. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Go to Settings, then System, then Screen Mirroring and enable the feature. Step 3. On your Android or Windows device, go to Screencast or Wireless Display and select your Sharp Roku TV. Step 4. Accept the connection request on the TV and start mirroring. 3. What to do if your Sharp TV does not have screen mirroring. If screen mirroring is not available on your Sharp TV, try these alternatives. Use a Chromecast, plug a Google Chromecast into the HDMI port, and cast from your mobile device. Use an HDMI adapter. Connect your phone, tablet, or laptop to the TV using an HDMI adapter. Use a streaming device. Fire Stick, Apple TV, and Roku allow wireless screen mirroring. 4. How to mirror an iPhone or Mac to a Sharp TV. For Android TV models, use Google Home app or a third-party mirroring app. For Roku TV models, enable AirPlay in Roku settings and connect via iPhone screen mirroring. For non-smart TVs, use a Lightning to HDMI adapter for wired mirroring. 5th, troubleshooting. Screen mirroring issues on Sharp TV. Device not detecting the TV, ensure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Connection keeps dropping, restart the TV and mobile device, then try again. Audio not playing on TV, adjust sound settings on your phone or TV. Most Sharp Smart TVs support screen mirroring, especially Android TV and Roku TV models. If the feature is unavailable, Chromecast HDMI adapters or streaming devices can provide alternative mirroring solutions.